Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make rich fruit cake for Christmas. It is made with mixed nuts and dried fruits, flavorful and moist. Let's get started. Some sultanas, currants, and raisins. Soak these dry fruits in brandy for at least 3 hours, ideally overnight. To make the cake batter, I use all-purpose flour or plain flour. Add some mixed spice, cocoa powder, cinnamon powder, a little nutmeg, sift them all into a bowl, then set aside. For my recipe, I used a round 23 cm diameter baking tin. Preheat the oven at 300 Fahrenheit. Some soft unsalted butter. Add some Muscovado sugar. Cream the butter with sugar. When the texture becomes smooth, add a little black treacle. Add some lemon rind, orange rind, also tangerine rind. There are 4 eggs in this cake. Beat in 1 egg at a time with some sifted flour and spice we mixed before. After adding 4 eggs, gradually fold in the remaining mixed flour. Also add some chopped dates. Mixed peel. Add a little milk when the texture is too dry. For this cake, the total amount of milk is not more than 30 ml. Some candied cherries. A little dry, so I add a little milk. Add all the dried fruits soaked in the brandy. Some chopped walnuts. Almond flakes. Mix them well, then transfer the cake batter to the baking tin. Smooth the top. Cover the cake with aluminum foil. Bake the cake at 300 Fahrenheit for 4 hours. Time is up. Let's check the cake. The stick comes out clean, meaning the cake is ready. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this cake for 20 to 30 portions cost me just over $30. I'm going to enjoy this cake with my family. Thanks for watching my video and Merry Christmas!